So got it. You want multiple relationships. That's a whole world. It's not just getting pussy. It's not just getting numbers. It's not just free to flirt. It is a whole relationship. It's not like a task you need to do. Again, security in a relationship is a couple of conversations away. Like that's not a time shift or work effort thing. You really want another one of that. Added with the catalyst, because you now pivoting two relationships, you're now managing that each of them, one coming into there's already there, that's their choice. It's a bit easier with the second. The first, most definitely, you're managing that she's secure with another relationship being there. Because the same things you're talking about, infatuation, lovey-dovey, validation, make me feel so good, oh, you're awesome, NRE, new relationship energy. After that passes, you're actually building. Now, not that that's an escalator, move in, have a baby, love, marry, any of that shit. Just the context of you are building something. They're expecting something, checking in, talking to me, holidays, communication, yada, 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 whatever y'all are creating together. Or catch me every Tuesday and throw me this dick. The whole thing is you're still containing Forever Feminine. Like that's a conversation to bring forward to your partner. It shouldn't be oh, I want to spend some time on a date. How do I have this conversation? You're actually wanting a second relationship as the end goal. It sounds cool. And I'm not saying that to sway you. I'm saying be aware of the reality. It's not just, oh, I'm picking up this piece of gold. It's, oh, now I'm picking this up, so now as I walk my journey, my left pocket is going to sag a bit more. It's going to off-put my balance. It's going to take a bit of effort to carry this on now. It's not just the piece of gold, it's the world of whatever comes with it.